What's up, everybody? Earl here, coming to you from mgmclassiccars.com. Gather around, check out this beauty. Freshly redone in 2022, nut to bolt, 1970 Chevy Chevelle, numbers matching 396 SS. Manual 4-speed transmission, 4-barrel carburetor that's dialed in, 12-bolt rear end, 373 gear. It's got the front and rear sway bars on there, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes all the way around, factory air conditioning. It's on that Tuxedo black with white painted stripes, black SS interior with black SS gauges, black SS bucket seats, center console SS, just set up beautifully throughout this car. It's got the SS wheels all the way around. Paint is in great shape. We're gonna go through it and see if we can find any flaws on this freshly built car. Let's take a look at this engine. All your hoses and belts are fresh. Air conditioning, power front disc brakes, power steering car. There you go, number matching, everybody. Cowl induction hood, operating correctly. Look at all your belts, all freshly done. All your hoses. Wipers are working correctly. All your lights are working correctly. Nice, nice stuff. Look how nice that hood lines up. Gaps exactly the way it should. Front as well on the passenger side. Cowl induction hood. Functional. Your pins, your straps, your front chrome it's basically new. All your badging, all your lights, all your marker lights. Tires are fresh. SS wheels, front fender, badged correctly, 396. Hi, everybody. Paint is deep. Door is in great shape. All your glass around the car is in great shape. Weather stripping's in great shape. Look at that interior. All fresh, fresh, fresh. Headliner tight. Dome light working. Passenger seat great. Door panel great. All your moldings, look. It's fresh build. Look, my favorite original welds. 3-pedal car. All your carpet, not much to talk about. Your dashboard, everything fresh. I think the only thing that's not working is the radio. It's an original radio inside. Let me step off this beauty. Let me get on an angle too. Just straight, the way it should be. Wow. I love doing this. Trunk is in great shape, just the way it should be. All your weather stripping good. All your welds are good. Nothing out of whack. Trunk lid is good. I've taken over 100 photos and a lot of the underneath as well, which will be online, so you can take a look at that. Your rear glass is good. All your chrome around the car, windows and moldings are in great shape. They're new. This rear quarter's in great shape, no paint flaws. All your SS wheels are fresh. SS door panels again. Clean. God, I love that stance. I'm a Chevelle guy, what could I tell you? Beautiful car. This is a treat. Great investments. Look at it, straight down. I'm on an angle. No breaks in the paint. Good paint work all the way throughout. No chips, anything that I could find. Let's fire this baby up. I just got done driving this. Clutch is great, runs through, plenty of power, pulls. Handle's good, no funky noises. Sorry about that. I left the lights on inside. It took a second, but she's running fine. Gauges are all working. Control panel's all working. This thing runs really well, handles well, brakes great. Like I said, no funky noises on suspension. Just solid, beautiful build with only 20 miles on a fresh 1970 Chevelle. If you're looking to do some financing on this puppy, and you're anywhere from a 640 to a 739, please go directly to our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Fill out the application where the car's at. Hit about 10% down. We'll go 84 months. Good rates. If you're a 740 and above, please go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Sometimes no money down. 84 months, great rates, approval within 24 hours. Got over 100 cars in stock ready for immediate delivery. We ship all over the United States, bonded and insured. All my pricing, description, photographs, and video are online. And if you have any questions on any of our vehicles or need quotes on shipping anywhere, please contact me by text or call at 773-600-0919. Again, my name is Earl, 773-600-0919. We are located in Addison, Illinois, 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. We are open Monday through Friday from 9 to 5, Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. Need an appointment, please text me or call me at 773-600-0919. I'll get you in. You can spend some time with the car. Beast. If you like our videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. Share it with your friends. I want to thank you for spending some time with me on this beautiful 1970 numbers matching 396 Black Beauty. Stay tuned. I'll be around again soon. Have a good day, everybody.